There are more things to focus on in this life than physical science. Like fast most.
Only you that make my heart go down. Get carried away, baby, please get carried away. I'm not here to play.
I hope the echo is not too bad. Hola guys and welcome back. Hola SE clan. Hola guys. What's up? Put some respect on my clan. You understand? We are operating. Okay, Susan, come down. Welcome back. If you are new here, do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. If you wanna, if you don't wanna, it's fine. I wrote history in my grade 11 and okay, I did history in grade 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, and then maybe I'm gonna do physics. Maybe, I don't know which one to start with, but we're gonna do something, okay? So I'm gonna do a paper for history, right? And then, yeah, man, there are some few question papers online. So, first of all, come with a book, just to, write down, to know that things are gonna, the last time I wrote history was in grade 12, which is 2019. Yes. Do not fear anything that does not talk but Inoshuam. So, candidate name. We have the first page. Candidate name. There is where Donora with the confidence. Candidate name Suzanne and Rula. Marks 130. History was that a big of a deal? What? 130. Section A. Answer all the questions. Do not rush. No rush me. Number 1. Namibia history. Oh yeah, there's section in history. When did Namibia gain its independence? 21 March 19. You see? 21 it's D. 21 March 1990. Oh yeah. Which one of the following Namibian leaders was the first to express the vision of an independent Namibia? Which one of the following Namibian leaders was the first to express the vision of an independent Namibia? So I feel like it's between Hosea Kutako and Andibato Toiva. I do not know, but they were in the summary I wrote in the beginning of the day. Hosea Kutako. Hi. C boss. Which Anglican priest helped Namibian people to send their petition to the UN? I know this one, but I don't know. Which one is this one? Adam Cock. Call him Adam Cock. We are not Susan now. Hi. Skip, you just skip when you don't know the answer. You just skip and then, because that's how it functions. Oh no, not to skip that, because truck workers are not allowed to bring their families, carry their passbooks, live in compounds, send money to their families. Bring their families with us. Who would you bring families with? And then I remember Nukucha, they were not A. Which act was about the separation of residential areas along racial lines? Which act? The separation was like separation. Group areas? Let's skip that. Who was the woman that was the first to be killed in the Vintu massacre? Rosa Mungunda. That lady with the fist up. It was very important for Namibia because Angola allowed Namibians to establish refugees. Yes, Angola allowed refugees in their country. Okay, let's go to African history. The state in Africa was set up by the freed Afro-American slaves. Oh, what? Who was the first black president of South Africa after Jacob Zuma? No, I did not say that. Nelson Mandela. How can I disrespect you like that? Nelson Mandela. Let's go to the world history. Which of the following countries were part of the Allied powers? There's France in there. B. League of Nations. League of Nations was formed in 1930. Section B, where you write the sentence where you are focused. Okay, we have Swapo people, Namibian people celebrating. Okay, in what way did Namibian nationalism affect the lives of the in a good way, in a bad way, in a what was it vital as a development? How important was the information on data plan? I know these things, guys. Write a paragraph where independent churches were established. Independent churches' name were established because helping the country to get independence. I knew these things, but I don't know. My mind is just everywhere. Let's go to African history. Anyways, that was enough history. Let's go to physical science. This is grade 9, guys. If I fail this, what is the main purpose of the experiment? To find the density of the stone, to find the mass of the stone, to find the temperature, to find the volume of the stone. The volume of the stone. How many hours are equivalent to 15 minutes? Listen, yeah, I'm always late. How am I freaking gonna... How many hours are equivalent to 15 minutes? I don't even have my calculator here. Wait, let me call my friend. Can you hear me?
No, I can hear you.
Futek and Didi, answer for me this question. How many hours are equivalent to 15 minutes?
What?
How many hours are equivalent to 15 minutes?
That's 0 point something.
So it's 0.15 and 0.25.
It's 0.25, not 0.15.
Okay, substances can be classified as elements, compounds, or mixtures. Which diagram represents a mixture? A. Yeah, a mixture. The girl, I know how to mix things. Shows the outline of periodic table. Which element A, B, C represent element in group 2? You have to group 1, group 2, in group 2 and period 3. 1, 2, 3. So it's C. The diagram shows a spoon made from an alloy. Which alloy is used to make a spoon? Steel. Stainless steel. When metals and non-metals react with oxygen, they form oxides. Which of the following is an acidic oxide? You know, you don't waste time. You move. What did I say? You move. Don't waste time. Do not waste time on something that you don't know. Which of the following is a source of chemical energy that can be used in the produce electrical energy? What did I just read? Susan, focus. Which of the following is a source of chemical energy that can be used to produce electrical energy? You know what? Magnets. I love magnets. The planet Earth behaves like a bar magnet. Period. It does. Which diagram shows a bar magnet that represents the Earth's magnet? Listen here, I'm just trying to make it to Friday. What is this? Identify the instrument used to measure the mass of the liquid. Measuring cylinder. No. Then focus. Oh my god. Mass of the liquid. Balance scale. Balance scale. Hi. I can do this maybe. Identify the chemical reaction represented by X and Y and Z. Decomposition, synthesis, or combustion. X. Synthesis, because photosynthesis, I see a sun, I see a plant, photosynthesis happens. Burning match, that is combustion. Combustion, yeah. Heating also has heating. Yeah. State in which diagram more pressure is exerted on the plasticine. Explain why. More pressure is exerted on diagram A because it's facing like this most. So the what is it? What do they say? The thinner, it's like, it's thin, man. So the thing goes like fast. The edge, if an object goes in the edge of the, you get it. If you don't get it, forget about it. You know what? Yeah, I've tried. There are more things to focus on in this life than physical science. The diagram shows a representative of positive charge piece of material, suggests how the piece of material was charged. Because by rubbing it, we are charging. Explain how the following factors affect the resistance of a wire. The length. The longer the length of the wire means resistance much stronger. The shorter the length, the lower the resistance. The wider the diameter of a wire, the weaker the resistance. The thinner the diameter of the wire, the stronger the resistance. Come on! To be honest, I wouldn't want to go back. See if she's helping me with this. The 4th of May in Namibia is commemorated as what? Eh? Who was the first administrator general of Namibia?
I don't know, bro.
No.
And Diti,
Yeah.
name and explain any two political recommendation made by the Ondenda plan.
Name and explain.
What is Ondenda plan?
Odenda. Spell Odenda. This is what is that, brother? It's thrown there in the Dena man.
Okay.
When I Google
Now, last question. Who was the first administrator general of Namibia?
Administrator.
Jason
What's up?
and Diti.
Talk to me.
Who was the first administrator general of Namibia? Okay, last question. Who was the woman that was first to be killed in Windhoek massacre? Bye. If you call me like that off guard and ask me this type of question, I'm like, oh, what is you talking about? Let's see. Chipo. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
My love, and Diti, did you do history?
Yes, what do you want?
Did you? Okay, let me be serious. Who was the first administrator general of Namibia?
Administrator General
Of Namibia?
Come on, are you sure that's the correct question?
Yes. Okay, last question. Who was the woman that was first killed in Windhoek massacre?
Who was the first lady killed by what?
In the Windhoek massacre.
Kakurukade Mbenguda.
Okay, cool.
Mwah.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment how the lighting went. Yeah, until next time, guys. Ciao. Bye.